What's up, everybody? JC News Now. Let's go get a couple complaint forms. Hi.
How are you?
All right, how are you doing?
Oh,
Can I get a couple complaint forms?
yeah.
Is Rusty in?
I'm pretty sure. I've been busy, so I haven't paid attention to him.
How are you doing?
You want to?
Yes, ma'am. Awesome. I'd like to talk to Rusty if I can.
Let me see what's on there. Hey, are you downstairs? No, could you come up? Jimmy wants to talk to you. Okay, thanks. Bye. There you go.
All right, thank you.
It's turned out to be a pretty day.
Yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Hey, how's it going?
What's up?
Come get my phone.
Well, I ain't got it back from the lab yet.
When's it gonna come back?
Well, I ain't heard. Neuschwander from up at Howland, he's supposed to come get it.
Who?
Neuschwander, he's a deputy up there, goes to a lab, and I've not got it back yet. So I've reached out to him, but I've not heard nothing back from him. So.
New Schwander.
Yep.
So you
Another
know,
officer up there, detective.
you know his badge number?
I don't have his badge number, don't have a clue.
What's your badge number?
481. You've got it plenty of times.
Well,
So. You know how it works, but
Yeah.
that's the way it is. Not heard back from him or got it back. There's steps you have to take to get them back.
is Bunting here today?
Nope, Bunning's off.
Oh, he is. What happened with Oscar?
I don't have a clue.
You don't.
Nope. Ain't mine to talk about.
It's not.
Ain't yours to talk about either.
Oh,
It don't affect you, so it don't have anything to do with you.
Yes, it does. Public record.
Oh, it is?
Yep.
Well, I have no idea.
I got another question. How come the body cam footage here is all public closed records? Why are
That's
you?
just how it works. Unless it goes through court, you can get it through your lawyer.
That's a public record too.
So
So
I'm not here to argue what's public and what's not. So,
me neither. I know the law.
okay. So ain't you out on bond?
No,
I mean, you got out and got your thing done. Ain't you not supposed to be recording in Alton County?
no.
Oh yeah.
I got no orders like that.
Okay.
I'm on-
We'll see how that goes.
I don't have any issues in Oregon County except
Oh,
for
yeah?
except for
So
court.
what'd your judge tell you then? Not to do.
He didn't tell me not to record.
Okay. All right.
You can ask him. His name's Gross. But it doesn't matter anyway. It's a First Amendment protected activity.
Okay.
But anyway, how you
As
doing?
soon as I get your phone back and the PA lets me release it, if he does, then we'll get it back to you.
Okay, well I'm gonna bring you a letter of intent, and I charge $1,000 a day. That it's not
You can bring me all you want. I got subpoena for that phone to have for my records.
until my case is over, and it's over.
It's up to the prosecutor when that case is over for
No,
you.
my case is prosecuted out of
I'm not gonna
Taney
argue
County.
with you, so it is what it is, Jimmy.
Yeah.
So
Well, I'll go talk to
you
him right
do
now.
what you gotta do.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Don't
No problem.
don't violate any rights today.
No.
I'm holding you
I'm
all
not violating
accountable.
nobody.
This tyrant right here, y'all. There you have it. You didn't tell me not to record. Nobody did. Wouldn't matter anyway. It's protected. You hear that shit? No. If you did, I'd be in cuffs. I'm gonna be all over the courthouse. Watch me. Son of a bitch. Tyrant. All right, y'all. That's it. JC News Now. Peace out.